Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Simply Crystal Nails. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to get the perfect smoke effect nails while using acrylic. So I'm just starting off by prepping my nails, and everything that I'm doing right now was pretty self-explanatory. I wanted to make sure that I included the prep work in today's video to give you the full experience. Now I'm going in with my black acrylic and I'm placing that all over the nail plate and the tip of the nail. If I was doing this on a real person or doing it on myself, I would make sure to put down a clear base coat because black generally tends to stain. So if you're doing this on a client, I would put down a clear protective layer of acrylic and then place the black on top. But since this is a silicone form, I literally just go in with it. So now I'm going in with the white gel polish, and depending on how good your first black layer of acrylic is, you may or may not have to file. I didn't personally have to file because I made sure that I put that base coat down really well. So basically what I'm doing right now is taking some white gel polish, I'm mixing it with some acetone, I'm thinning it out, I'm taking my brush and a little bit of that gel polish, and I'm just kind of dragging that diagonally across the nail, almost kind of doing circular motions and dragging it out. And then once I get the desired look that I want, I'll pop that under the nail lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with some clear acrylic and I'm just capping off the nail. Now I'm just going in to file and buff the nail and perfect that shape. So once the filing is done, I'm going to go in with my primer and then I'm going to place a glossy top coat on top of the nail. Cure that for 30 seconds and wipe when you're finished. Now I'm going back in with that white gel polish and I'm taking some acetone and I'm just going back in and mixing those two colors together. This time when I place the gel polish on top of the nail, I want to make sure that I have a little bit more white on the brush so that I can create that smoky effect. So you're going to apply the gel coat maybe like 2 to 3 times depending on your desired look until it looks the way you need it to look, and then you'll cure that for 20 seconds. So once your gel polish is cured, please don't wipe it. You want to make sure that the pigment has something to stick onto. So I basically chose 2 different colors of orange to finish off my smoke effect. I am patting on the lighter color at the bottom and then the darker color at the top. Of course, you can use any color that you want. You can use rainbow colors, or you can just use one color. It is completely up to you. Once the colors are placed where I need them to be, I'm going to pop it under the lamp for another 15 seconds, and then I'm going to finish this look out with a matte top coat, and I will be finished. Now, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram. I usually post all of my photos there before I post my videos on YouTube, but I want to thank you all again for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.